Yo! Good morning, family. Happy Thursday. Look, you guys see it on the chart. Post FOMC, we got some wild action, weird volatility. And honestly, for the most part, this is what I'm looking at. It's going to be pretty simple, honestly. Rejection below that previous high, I'm going to be bearish. If we get above it, I'm going to be bullish towards all time for the high of the FOMC. I mean, it's really that simple. Work. The first, the always the strongest. Good morning, stud. Welcome in, King. Hope you're doing well. Happy Thursday. How was your Asia session? Hope you caught some bangers, brother. We're going to send this out super quick, and we're going to get focused as a family here. Only positivity. May God bless our opportunity and everything we do today. Let's fucking get it, King. That's all we got to do is focus. Good opportunities, good setups. Look at the volatility. We're getting some action. Ow! I'm excited. Yeah, crazy day. If you see this as well, the trend line that I drew yesterday on that hourly chart was respected twice more. Actually, once more, because this was the first one that we cut. No, twice more. Yeah. So this trend line was respected twice more, meaning that I don't know. I guess I don't know what that actually means, other than the fact that it was respected. So again, as long as we, good morning, King. Welcome in, Brahm, and you too, GPT. Let's get it, family. As long as we stay below this hourly swing over here, this previous day high around these, what is it, 27,540s, we stay below that, I'm going to be bearish. We got a strong sweep to the buy side, big rejection, and now we're retesting that previous high. If we get a rejection here, I'm going to be bearish towards the trend line. If we don't and we hold above this, I'm going to be looking to take out the FOMC high. Let's look at the daily chart. Looks probably pretty strong. She do. So we didn't even get a trend line tap. No EMA touch it as well. Just bullish. It's been the same narrative. This is the first one that's making me think maybe we're gonna trick some people into grabbing longs. This is the first time I'm like maybe actually leaning a little bearish if we stay below these 27,540s. But anything could happen. No trade for me in Asia session, but our brother Santiago seen a big entry around 12 p.m. yesterday. What a king! What a king! Dang, massive entry around 12. Hope you got to grab that points, man. 100 plus points. Yee! Morning, gang. 600 to pass the Tradeify. You're passing those today, Dave. Let's go, King. Excited for you. Take good setups. Find it. It's all going to be right there. Manual. We're going to turn our trade mode on. Hey, what was that? Over here, please. Trade mode. Thank you. 15. There we go. Let go. Simple narratives today, family. As long as we're above that swing price, I mean, below these 27,540s, I'm going to be a little bearish. What it do? What it do, Saucy? Good morning, King. Let's get it, baby. Good morning, gangsta. Our brother indeed. We had the FOMC. Obviously, that was our last one with Powell. Passing of the torch. This will be the first time we have a new chairman while I've been like actively busy in the market, so it's gonna be interesting. See how things get just see how things are a little bit different. But yeah, we'll see what happens here, family. I'm not gonna be super bearish today overall. For the last month, buy, so pretty much gonna be the objective. I just want to see what happens at these 27,540s, so I'm not gonna be active until that happens, unless we start getting like clear rejections immediately. Matter of fact, I think we could open up bearish, but I don't know. I'm not going to have a position on. We're going to see what happens here, family. We need 3 winning days. Roughly 150 each day will get us over the threshold. And it'll be something. Roughly 350s each day will get us over the threshold. A couple of the counts are a little bit below. Some are a little over. So we'll see what happens here. Maybe we can have like a 2-day today, just a little 200, something simple. Make sure it's clean and easy. But we're just going to take what the market gives us. King, Boss Trader, how we doing, sir? Welcome in as always, brother. Morning, fam. I'm in the office today, so no trading for me. Just here for the vibes. The man, TLR. Appreciate you for showing in anyways, King. Hope you have a good day at work. Doing the thing. Supplying yourself with trading funds like a true King. I love it. I love seeing the grind, family. It's only a matter of time, TLR, till you get you get those accounts paid out from your job income, and then you turn those things into fat payouts, and then you're doing your freedom. And that's what we're getting here for privilege, trading for freedom. So I love that shit. I love that shit a lot. Market opens up here in 2.5 minutes. Let's get excited. Let's get dialed in. You know what I mean? Nothing but opportunities. I mean, look at FOMC. What a weird day. Around the 2 p.m. release, not a lot actually happened. We waited, they hesitated, they waited until around, like, we started getting a little bit of volume at 354, and then all the moves was over after market close, which is really a little manipulative, which is why I believe that we could be looking for sells today, because the move wasn't during intraday. It was a little bit selly. Morning, family. Let's fucking kill it. Last day of the month. Let's go. Last day of the month, Santi. Let's get it. I love that energy. If we can have a good day today, it'll be nice. We've had a decent April, so let's close it out strong as a family here. 9:45 PMI. Appreciate you, Dave, for keeping us aligned there. PMI at 9:45. It's going to be interesting to see how that affects us. That will close out our 15-minute range as well, so we'll look for something there. Morning, family. Welcome in, Mad Max. Appreciate you for being here as always, King. Ty, you trading TPTs today? I'm thinking of getting some after blowing those Lucid Pros. Yeah, Don, I will be trading them after I take my trades on these Lucid fundeds. Hopefully get a winning day here, and then yeah, I'm gonna trade the Lucids and the take profits that we have sort of we're battling with. We need some winning days, but we'll see what we can do. After blowing these Lucid Pros, you had the Lucid Pros. It's debatable. I think they're both pretty good. Yeah, if you want to try some take profits, though, definitely do it, King. Definitely give them a try if you want to try to reload up the Lucids, because I think they're a little bit cheaper. You could do that too. So whatever you want to do, brother. Hope you get back in there. Keep your confidence high. Find some good trades. Market opens up here in 30 seconds, family. We're opening at the 27,500s. The 540s is that previous swing where I want to see if we can stay below, because if we do, I'm going to be pretty bearish. But anything could happen. Anything can happen. Best of luck today. You too, King. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's end the month strong. April 30th, last day of the month. Let's do what we've been doing all month. Find good setups. Be patient. Follow the rules. And whatever happens, happens, family. This is trading after all. And we know anything can happen, baby. Come on now. Final 10 seconds. Where are we going to go to, NASDAQ? Oh. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? A little bit of selling off the open, like a little bit of expected. This is going to be a crazy day, actually. This candle right here is 50 points, but doesn't look like 50 points at all. It was only 40 points. Now it's 50 points. Now it looks a little bit more realistic. Okay, sure, NASDAQ. Currently rejecting that previous swing spot again. I think it's enough for me to try a long at the VWAP here, honestly, family. I think there's enough reason to try a potential long here at the VWAP. Big selling right off the top. I'm going to try it. Looking for a little bounce. Of course, NQ actually grabs VWAP. MNQ doesn't. Makes me not really want this order here as much.
Order filled.
Got tapped in. Do we get a reaction off this VWAP at all? Very early trade for us. I want to see if we can get a reaction off this price and see any absorption. Immediate closing below. We're just going to take our loss like a champion. This is a bit more bearish than expected, but also I did kind of expect bears today, so it's kind of ironic. Just wait for all the information. Wait for the candle close. We're trying to hold, it looks like, but we're still getting a lot of selling pressure on the tapes. A little bit of an early trade. Means we might be battling today. Strong rejection off that price up there. Surprised to see just an immediate failure. Surprised to see just an immediate failure like that. You can keep an eye on this. If we don't really get back up and around the zone, I might just cut this trade here. Kind of anticipated a little bit of a stronger reaction off that VWAP. So the trade that I was already looking to take is kind of already failing. Meaning that we might just be getting out of this old cat. You know what I'm saying? Last attempt here from the long. See if they can reclaim that VWAP in any capacity. What's NQ look like? Feels like it could try a little VWAP test. That's all we're looking for, is a little retry now at this point. I want to see the reaction. A little bit of a quicker trade. Not my favorite. I wanted to see if we get a strong little sell bounce, but no. Currently, the sellers looking like they're the ones in control right now. What's ES doing? Interesting. That makes me a lot more bearish, actually. The fact that ES hasn't even gotten to VWAP yet means I might just kill this trade if we get any attempt back towards the VWAP whatsoever. Buyers trying to get through it, finding some resistance. Is that going to be it? Feels like it could be. I'm going to keep an eye on this. If this candle closes red, I'm out. Feels like they're looking for lower. I think that's because of ES. Look how much lower we had to go to get to VWAP there. Damn, I'm down 300 already. Yeah, the price action today. Crazy, family. All right. Battle time. Let's get it done. Sellers taking this thing straight off the cliff. That's tough because it's just continuing to bleed. I think we have a long ways to go, to be honest with you. What's oil doing, by the way? Still basing above 100. ES has nearly an EMA touch, a VWAP touch, but still got some distance to go there. That was my candle exit there as well. And I knew it, and I didn't do it. I'm going to give this a couple more chances, but I think, therefore I am, family. You know what I'm saying? How we doing over here? Pro tip, you only need one kidney. 250 to 400K will allow you to trade stress-free. If you have 2 healthy kidneys, go 1. What are we doing with 2 anyway, Santi? Yo, those 5 Lucid accounts I bought yesterday, I already got them funded, laughed my ass off. And I also got 3 funded future accounts to fund it. I also made 1,500 in the morning yesterday and made 1,500 in the Asia session. All copy trading. Let's go, D. Good morning, King. Welcome in, Matrix. God damn it, family. I saw the shorts. I said, I think we're going to reject if these highs. I'm going to be bearish. And look at me in longs trying to follow the trend and getting absolutely schmurdered. This has been, the problem is, the reason I'm holding this a little bit is this has been the fucking pattern, is we get an early sell-off and then buyers come in ridiculously aggressive at a random moment. Is ES rejecting VWAP as well? It looks like it so far. I got to set a real stop here. It feels like we're just going to continue to bleed. Where do I not like price? I mean, already I don't like price. That's the thing. I feel like we're heading completely to the sell side. I'm waiting for a balance, but not seeing any balance in these markets at the moment. Is ES rejecting? Completely rejecting. Okay. I think the sell side is heavy. Wait for an EMA attempt from the buyers if we even try to find that. Man, feels bad. Feels no bueno, family. Feels no bueno. Is ES trying to hold? Not really. I think this might be the chance to find something before ES rejects. Probably going to get out of this EMA if I get a chance to. Going to try to get out of this EMA if we get a chance to. Got to still see a little bit of a bounce from these buyers. I want to see what ES's reaction is around this VWAP. It's probably going to reject the same way NQ started to. Give me another one of those. Get up to that EMA. Get up to that EMA. Wasn't really an EMA touch, but it might count as one if ES rejects VWAP here. Could easily count as one. Feels like it is. Feels like they're going to count that as one there. God, man. I'm upset because my bias was so bearish. I just didn't expect it to be this strong. How could we? You know, how could we? Oil's pumping. ES actually rejecting the VWAP. Means NQ is just dying. New lows. Man. I think I gotta kill this. I just can't for some reason. Just fucking unbelievably just where is the buyers? Like what? I wanted to fight for a better price at the exit of the EMA touch and they say that was it. I don't believe you. Yeah, ES looks very weak here as well. Man, the fuck. Unfortunate there. O-Town, good morning, Brandon. Welcome in, King. I'm waiting for the reversal at 8 a.m. No trades for me. I missed my sells on SPX opening, and JP took the hit, but I ain't telling nothing else. Taking nothing else. I love it. Work. Hey, good trading. Overall, the discipline to not do it. We got a battle now, family. Good morning, Bella. Welcome in, Queen. A little frustrated over this. 3 micros causing this much action is crazy. Over 100 points to the sell side. ES doesn't look nearly as weak as NQ. This is what I was hoping to see on NQ, is just a little bit of a hold, but no, we're getting some real selling pressure. I haven't seen anything either that would like even indicate a potential reversal. I mean, we're at a 300 hold number, but nothing that really looks like we're ready to turn this boat around, which means it might just be time to get out and join them. You know what I'm saying? That's going to be my strategy. I'm going to look for a place to get out of this and then try to join them. That's all we can do. But we're just getting weight. Selling pressure. ES, new low is going to bring NQ with it probably. Oh, yeah. I always hate trying to stop out at a low. Like, I hate stopping out at lows. Like, I wanted an EMA exit there because, like, it always feels like you're going to get a shitty price. So if price just continues to sell off here, then, you know. Or if it bounces here, because it doesn't feel like there's a whole lot more to go. But at the same time, we haven't found anything that says it's not going to. So yeah. I mean, I'm just getting murdered, family. We're down 800. Motherfucker, dude. This is the first time we've had this at open. I guess we're on a bear day. Bummer. I don't know. Danny, good morning, Queen. Welcome in as always. Order flow, King. I know. Is order flow telling me that we are gonna just continue to bleed? It feels as though we are. ES has a decent wick down there, but I don't know if I believe it. Sellers are just completely 100% in control right now. Like, this thing is just dripping. This is a tough price action because it's so drippy that you have to think you're going to get balanced, but then it's like, why would we if we're just selling off? Like, give us a green candle print. If there's any candles whatsoever. Excuse me. Protect your account and not increase the hole to dig out of. Yeah, no, you're right, Brandon. We have a hole to dig out of, unfortunately, at the moment. This trend line that we drew yesterday in the hourly was respected two more times, so I'm thinking that could be a target if we can't find some support through here. It doesn't feel like we are. Just want a green candle print, man. Where are these buyers at, doggy? Just a little green candle print never hurt nobody. You know what I'm saying? Just a little green candle print never hurt nobody. I think I'm going to get out at these threes. Take the $700 loss. I think this is the best place to maximize. I think ES is about to hit the EMA as well. All right.
Order filled.
We're down 650, family, off that loss there. So we got to battle. We have to battle. Oh, what an unfortunate first trade. What an unfortunate first trade. We'll get it back, though. No problems. It might not go past 27,250. 7K out the gate. Brent, let's go, Eli. It's been a while, King. Hope you're doing well. Should have a mental stop loss of 500 when copy trading. Wouldn't hurt. I would lose so many of my trades if I've won if I did that, laugh my ass off. But you could always re-enter. Yeah, I mean things are I don't know. And of course now we're gonna get an EMA retest. The buyer's actually gonna try to show up, huh? Now we're actually gonna get an attempt out of nowhere from the buyers. Well, I had to get out that EMA just in case the pressure was going to be real, but of course, it's appearing as though I might have been unlucky there. ES is above VWAP. Wow. Wowzers, family. Wowzers. Hey, this is what I'll say. The range today is good opportunity, okay? We have a lot of points. I mean, we were down $700. We're down $700 with 3 micros in a couple minutes. So the range is there. The possibilities are there. We just got to find it. I don't know if ES is really going to be able to base up above this VWAP. If not, that's our continuation to the sell side. Right now, they're trying to act like they want to, but I don't know if I really believe it. NQ also looks like it's trying to respond. Our 15-minute range is in. We must get our PMI information. I'm going to draw up our box here on NQ. Stay aligned with the markets. Stay aligned with these here markets. That's our 15-minute range, family. Where do we come from? Where do we go? I think I'm still looking for a short. Just got to find a good spot that it makes sense at. ES way stronger than NQ. Frustratingly, we got out at not the best price, it looks like, but we had to. We absolutely had to. And now we got a battle. If ES fails at these previous swings at these 186s, I'm going to be pretty bearish. Bump, 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 bump. Longs might come. It's going to the 100s. I think it could too, possibly, Eli. We'll see what happens. I'm looking for longs around above the 5-minute low candle. 7:30, 5-minute candle. I'm in a long, up 11, up 1,000, 100, up 1,000 bucks. Let's go, King. Good trade indeed. I still like shorts, I think. Not gonna doubt myself again here. I was looking for shorts early, got caught in a long to see if we get a quick reaction, and we didn't. So now it's gonna be hard for me to want to flip over. All right, let's take a deep breath here, family. Like I said, the range is there. The range is there and very strong right now. So all we have to do is try to find it. ES rejecting, VWAP, NQ looking like it's rejecting, trying to find some volume. Do we get to the bottom of the 15-minute range now off that push? Feels like we could. Would have loved a little bit of a higher dip just to feel confident in it. So a lot of selling, a lot of random selling. And that candle right there was the reason I got out of my position. And we did reject the spot that I wanted to see us reject on ES. So. And we're back below VWAP. Excuse me, family. I'm going to try to short 3 on these MNQs here at the 22s.
Order filled.
Got tapped in. ES looks like it's trying to hold VWAP, but I don't necessarily believe it yet. We'll see what happens. I want to kind of assume it's going to try to reject, but of course anything could happen. Here we go, baby. Give me that rejection off that EMA. Got to see us try to take out the bottom of the 15-minute range here. Scariness would be above the 372s. And ES getting above VWAP would be unideal. ES getting above the VWAP would be unideal for us here. It's acting like it wants to, but the low volume all of a sudden is kind of freaking me out, because this has been the same pattern that we've seen for the last month, right? We get an early sell-off, and then it traps some sellers, and then buyers just reclaim it all. So I want to see at least an attempt toward the bottom of the 15-minute range here, but if we continue to hold at this EMA, I'm not going to love it as much. It would require ES to give up VWAP. NQ looks so much weaker than ES does right now. ES is holding around the VWAP. NQ broke that out a long time ago. And now we're looking to try to hold this EMA, it seems as though. Bum, 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 bum. It's going to be really indicative of ES. It's really going to be the one that decides this trade. If ES decides to get above VWAP, where it might be in some hurting for the same setup that's been playing out every morning. You get an early sell-off, and then the buyers just reclaim. It's appearing as though we might be looking like that right now. It's going to be really deciding on this ES push. Are they going to be able to get up and above there? Or are the sellers going to continue to show some support here for continuation to the sell side? Don't really love the way that we're auctioning this. Not exactly a fan of the way that we're auctioning this, but we'll see what happens. Give us a strong closure like that and start heading towards that daily opening print. Big sellers now. Big sellers now. Big blacks, no wicks. Get down through there. ES rejecting. Looks good. Break through these 270s. Below the bottom of the 15-minute range could be decent. Got to see ES get weak, though. It's holding at the VWAP. If this starts breaking down, we're going to be okay, but if we get above that VWAP, that's where things are going to get interesting. So we really got to try to break through the 170s here on ES. Come on, get down there. Big black, no wick through the bottom of the 15-minute range. Give us some speed. Once we do sweep through the bottom of the range, we got to pay attention. Anything could happen at that point. I kind of want to see a trend line tap, maybe this daily opening print, but we got to be careful. Here we go. Bottom of the 15-minute range. Don't want to see a wick here. Don't want to see a wick now. Is ES finding a break? Sort of. Still kind of holding, though, equally. Obviously want to try to maximize. Want to see some continued selling pressure through the bottom of this range. Want to see some continued selling pressure through the bottom of this range here. ES looks like it's breaking down. That might be able to bring us with it. Looking for a nice closure through the bottom of this range so we can maybe find continuation trades. We got a break at the bottom of the 15. Double bottom on ES looks not good. Double bottom on ES as well as that they're trying to get back inside of the 15. This is going to be important to see here. Above the EMA, I'm not going to really want to be in this position anymore. Really want to see ES try to break through that double bottom. Wait for all the information. Wait for the candle close. If we can continue to reject the bottom of the range, I'm going to like us to maybe find some deeper pushes into towards these 27s, 2700 whole number, 27.2s, I mean. It's a good candle closure from the sellers. Maybe you can find continuation off that after an attempt into this buy side. Is ES breaking through that bottom yet? No. This will be an important spot. If ES can break it, I like it, but we have to get a breakthrough there. NQ looks like it really is trying. It's the weaker of the two right now, though. I think if ES breaks this bottom, we look okay. I want to see a nice strong candle to break through this. NQ looks like it's trying new lows. Is that bringing ES? Is ES gone yet? It hasn't. ES is the stronger of the two, so that's going to be the indicative. Get through there, and ES. I think you could target this daily opening print price. ES break it? It is. Okay. I think we can target this daily opening print price. As long as ES doesn't try to get back inside of that zone, we should be okay for lower. And if we do get this daily opening print, I guess I probably should try to scale out, like pinch this price instead of just full exit. Like maybe we get low a day break, maybe we get a stronger sell side. It's going to be tough to know. It's not really a candle reaction I like to see down here. Strong spot that buyers could try to respond from. We're getting close to that trend line tap as well. ES looks like it's still trying to break down. If this candle closes like that, my new stop is going to be right here. Wait for all the information. Wait for the candle closure. Yeah, that's another bullish candle print, unfortunately, for us here. I'm going to trail. I'm going to trail. I think we can look lower, but I'm going to just try to maximize or minimize here. I think we can look for this thing to maybe go look for low a day. Got to get through these new 240s, 250s area. ES looks like it kind of is weak, but I don't know. Big Black, go hunt our lows. Go hunt that daily opening print price. Let's see us find that. I could start trying to scale this. Don't want to be too greedy, but also want to try to maximize as well. Here's that daily opening print price. I'm going to try to pinch this thing now. Would rather just us get heavy as hell through here.
Stop filled.
All right. We got out before the daily opening print price gets found. We're now down $100. Crazy. We battled. Everyone make sure we keep smashing the love button for our brother Ty. 40 is the goal, familia. 40 likes is the stream goal, family. Could we show some love? We battled back. Lost 650, made 550 back. We're battling, family. We're battling. Absolutely battling. Is ES looking strong yet? No, but still way above that daily opening print price. I think it's the leading indicators that NQ is going to end up continuing weakness. I'm glad we got that exit down there, though. Oh, NQ. See, this is where it's confusing. NQ did get the daily opening print tap. MNQ didn't. That's what we were looking for. Of course, I could have maximized that last little bit there. I was looking for lower, but we'll see what happens. Yo, what up, bro? The 20K on Lucid tastes good, my bro. It's not bad, Loco. It's been pretty nice, King. Trying to maximize. Damn, blew my account over $20. Nice. Fuck, GPT. Sorry to hear it, brother. All right, family. So now we got a little bit of damage control. We got another trend line tap there as well. The daily opening print price looks like it's giving us some response. ES is well above, so it's tricky to know. Let's be a little bit more patient as of right now. Find some decent setups. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. Sellers are clearly the ones in control right now, though. I wish I would have known that NQ actually grabbed that daily opening print because MNQ hadn't. Look at the difference. It wouldn't have mattered. I kind of got us out in the same candle anyways, but we were looking to see if it would break lower. See if we'd get some weight through there because ES is so far from it. Makes you think that this is where ES is going to end up finding, which means NQ could probably give it up as well. Who knows? Who knows? But the hourly candle just closed at another trend line touch. Look at this trend line that we drew yesterday. Since we drew it, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 more contacts. Interesting. Doesn't feel like it can keep holding. Oil hasn't really done a lot of moving. ES is trying to find a nice bottom down here at the 27-160s. And NQ is trying to get back inside of the bottom of the 15-minute range. I would short the bottom of this 15-minute range to look for continuation to the sell side. The problem that I don't want to is the fact that NQ already tapped that daily opening print price and NQ is lagging, or ES is lagging quite a bit. So I don't necessarily think that the sellers are just going to continue to beat down the weaker of the two instead of the stronger. So I'd have to see something stronger about some selling reacting here for me to get bearish. This would be a setup that I wouldn't mind. A break and retest, though. A break and retest at the bottom of the 15-minute range. See, the sellers are bouncing off, or the buyers are bouncing off that daily opening print, keeping us in a bullish candle. Let's see what the sellers got here. ES is the stronger of the two by far. We'll wait. We'll take a little second here and take a moment. No reason to catch every position. We just took 2 trades. We're only down $100. We can figure it out and get over our winning day here. Buyers really stepping in now at that daily opening print at the 27,200 whole number. Along the bottom. Let's go D. Good bottom. There's 35 beautiful people watching, family. Could we show some love? Smash the love button. We're battling here for our 3rd winning day, for our 4th payout in a row. Can we find it? We need today, tomorrow, and Monday potentially to grab another 10K payout, which will be 4 in a row. And we'll be doing the thing, but we got to battle. We need $150. We need $250 to make, and we got to find it with probably MNQ, but I'm going to wait for a sell, depending on if ES gets above this VWAP. Depending on where ES gets to, I'm going to look for sells probably back around these 340s. Currently, the trend line that we drew is trying to hold again, though. So, excuse me. It's very interesting. We could hold it. ES looking like the stronger. Well above that daily opening print price. Printing back towards the FOMC high. Interesting. Kind of a V recovery off of a big price on NQ, so it's hard to just get weak. I like longs more. Dave likes longs. I like that. It's hard saying not knowing, you know what I'm saying? It's so hard to say not knowing. It's tough because I just don't see anything that really says that longs are going to be supported, you know what I mean? Try to break through the bottom of the 50-minute range there at the EMA, finding some support. I think we could get a little bit of a push back up and towards these 360s from there. I might try to short. Crude oil pump there. Gosh, this market. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense at all, Dave. It's really a battle. It's just a battle spot. ES trying to hold this EMA and push back towards VWAP. NQ also held the EMA at the bottom of the 15-minute range and is trying to push back up into balance as well. Let's see what we can do here, family. That's all we got to do. Is find something. Can we find something? Can already tell that this is going to be... We have the range, so the opportunity to make money's there, but it's going to be a battle. What, 460 point range? 440 point range? I haven't seen any volume that indicates a reversal yet. Like, I haven't seen the lot of contracts coming and indicating that we're going to try to reverse the other way. NQ rejecting a little bit back in towards the bottom of the 15-minute range. This will be important to see as long as ES does the same thing. ES looks like it's, again, still just the stronger of the two. So, patience, family. Let's wait for a good setup here. Let's find something that can actually deliver. We got caught in a really, really early short. Long, paid for it. Was able to find the short retest. Now we got to find another one. But I still I think sellers right now are the play for me personally, is what I'm looking at more than buyers. Like these 360s compared to like a VWAP short. 360 VWAP could be interesting, depending on how ES looks. Damn, ES finding some resistance there, actually. Interesting. Is that affecting NQ? Yes, it is. Interesting. Well, we'll see what happens with these 167s. If we set a new low, I think we're looking lower. If we don't, we're going to continue to hold this. This is now triple bottom here, the wick. So something at these 167s isn't really wanting price to break below. A lot of volume just came in on that one candle there in comparison to the previous candles. It's been very steady volume. Lots of orders, honestly. 32, 34, 37, like just a lot of contracts being filled on each and every minute so far. Makes for a war zone. If ES breaks below these 167s, I think it confirms shorts are still in. Excuse me. Got a break of it. I think shorts are still in, family. Especially because that would be NQ rejecting the bottom of the 15-minute range. This would be NQ rejecting the bottom of that 15-minute range. I'm going to draw the box here as well, just so I can give myself, I don't have to keep bouncing back and forth. Right back to the lows here at that daily opening print price. Is ES finding weakness? Has to be. Surely is. I wouldn't be the one trying to long off this bottom, personally. With ES having such a long way to go towards their daily opening print with the same structure, I would be a little hesitant to try to be the one to grab the bottom here. Try to predict the bottom could be very difficult. Tyler, great battle back. I had stepped away to handle some work-related issues and see your resilience. Let's go, Brandon. Appreciate you, King. 269 is London low. 269 is London low. And we already broke through that pretty aggressively, Dave. I'm done for the day. Got my 150 in times 2. Let's go, Danny. That's a winning day, Queen. Let's fucking go. I am proud of you. Yes, still just kind of forming a weird pattern. Double bottom at the daily opening print price seems like it's an opportunity, but I just can't be the one to step in front of it. I just can't be that one, you know what I'm saying? I can't be that guy. ES has such a long ways to go still. Another 12 points to get towards its low, its daily opening print. And if you look at this trend line, if this thing starts breaking, there's lots of liquidity that we could be looking for below. So it's going to be tricky. Hard saying, not knowing. Weakness through this daily opening print, though, gives me confirmation and an attempt at it. Yeah, taking it slow to get these passed, and then we'll continue to, with the 150 days. I would be super happy with day payouts of 300. Absolutely. That's what it is. Base hits, base hits, base hits, compound into consistency, get your confidence high, and then payouts, baby. Daily payouts. Oh, excuse me. Ugh. NQ is trying to decide where it wants to go with that daily opening print price. I still feel bearish about it. Feels like it wants lower, especially with the lower day being right there. Like, liquidity is right there. And if that thing breaks, I think it's going to break pretty aggressive. ES is the stronger of the two that's kind of holding this up at the moment. We're still, like I said, 13 points away from its daily opening print price, which would be like just nice to go see it. Oil also a little bit bearish. So the fact that they're all following each other is weird. It's weird to say the least. It's just strange. King, just stopping by to slap the like button. You're the best, newbie. I appreciate you so much, Queen. Hope your trading goes well today. We're battling for our third winning day here for our fourth payout with these, with these Lucid accounts. This guy really burpy. I'm sorry, family. Yeah, NQ is trying to hold that daily opening print price. Meanwhile, ES is trying to push back inside of the zone where it rejected from. So it's really tough. I don't love a double bottom at a big spot like the daily opening print. Doesn't give you a lot of confidence, but at the same time, anything could happen. Newbie, let's go, Danny. Ty, are Lucid and TPT the only firms that Tradeovate have the lockout function for that you are aware of? TPT, Lucid, and I think Tradeify too, maybe. But I think so, King. Family, smash the like button, family. 27 more for that big 40. We only have 13 likes right now, family. Come on, we can do so much better. If you guys are watching, finding any value, I know there's way more than 13 of my homies in here. Show some love and smash the button, guys. It would mean a lot. We have a goal to get to, and 13 ain't cutting it. We deserve more than that right now. Come on, family. Damn, I tried to short 209. Yeah, that's tough. It's hard shorting at the bottom of the range, Dave. Hope it plays out for you. Hope we find some more weakness through this EMA. Danny, how's it going? Queen's hitting well. She's doing well today. That ES, like I said, is the stronger of the two, being the one that's difficult. ES is the one that's just holding this thing up right now. Oil's starting to sell off a bit, maybe giving NQ some strength at that daily opening print and another trend line tap. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times now that we've tapped into this trend line, and it's appearing as though it's trying to hold. I do notice a trend line here on NQ as well, possibly. I don't typically draw them in the middle of the range like that, but we have clearly some resistance here. You can even draw it here if you want to be a little bit tighter with it, but I like this first swing spot, the VWAP. A couple missed spots there, but it's kind of the angle right now, the angle of attack. We deserve 1K every live. Let's go work. One day, baby. Everyone use code TFF for your discounts. Let's go, Brandon. You're the man, baby. Trading for freedom, family. That's what we're doing here. We're trading for freedom. Can NQ push above here? ES probably looking quite strong in comparison. Trying to get back towards this VWAP. You can see how much it's been struggling to even really give up this VWAP. This is the golf club pattern that I like to see, but it's tough. It's tough with it being completely a little bit diverged right now. NQ is looking so much weaker than ES is. And this pattern down here is a little bit more bullish. Now we're back above that 170, what was it? 176, 167 price. So back to this spot where the sellers have to try to get through again. Each time they get through, they get some speed, but the buyers just bring it right back up. Blew the fucking trade of eyes. No way, King. It's all right, brother. Yeah, you do. You come back. We know you come back, but it's definitely a shitty feeling. I know. Sorry, brother. It was a tough bottom down there at the 209s that they decided to hold, and then we end up pushing right back down too. ES looks like it's trying to reject that 167 price, currently holding. This is the pattern. It's tough. It's really hard to know. It's just a tough read right now. I'm going to be patient. I think if we get a break through this daily opening print price, sellers are going to kind of step in a little bit. ES has quite a ways to go to find its daily opening print. ES looks like it's actually going to go this time. Maybe. It's been very, very back and forth. Buyers are holding ES up for some reason right now. Daily opening print price tap again. That was a 15-minute range, bottom of the 15-minute range take. I couldn't do it with this, again, bouncing off of a whole number like this. And ES looking strong. Finally getting through it, though. Do we go see low a day now? There's new lows. New low a day being taken out. Potentially this trend line breaking, family. This could be observant to see some sell side. At least towards the 27,000 whole number, possibly. Could be possible. I've been on the 5 with 15 minutes next to it, and it's a lot more clear for me than the 1 or 2. I get so afraid of missing something on the 1 or 2. I love that you're finding something for you, Queen. That's trading. And find something that works for you, allows your brain to read it. ES finally breaking to the sell side. Is this going to be heading toward that daily opening print as well? NQ is at low of day here. It's a lot of volume now, so this is where we have to be careful, because we finally got a break of a big level with a lot of volume. So if we don't get continuation, we could reverse out of this. If we start to see just continued weakness, and again, ES lagging makes me think that we could. This thing could go try to find its daily opening print bottom. But the fact that we got that much volume on NQ means that if we do reverse, and I haven't seen it on ES yet, so I think we're still going to get continuation, honestly. So for me, if we try to come back up into this daily opening print, I wouldn't mind another short try. But when you get that much volume at a big level, you have to see continuation. Otherwise, reversals are very possible. I can't short this deep into the hole. I'd have to fight for a better price around these 27.2s. Look how stubborn ES is with the break. ES is holding so much different than NQ is. Sunshine sounds awesome right about now. Glad to hear you're killing trading per usual. I've been doing well, just running from a snake a while back. Demo day sucks. Running from a snake a while back. Demo day. No, I appreciate it. Sunshine does sound incredible right now. Drink that sun up, Queen. Go get out there. Always W mindsets. Family, I kind of want to short this daily opening print price on the sell side, feeling like ES is going to continue to find its direction down there. It's tough. We're starting to finally get this trend line to break a little bit. but it's really hard to say not knowing. Hard saying not knowing. I'm going to try it. I'm shorting it to 202s here. No, you're not going to miss me barely, right?
Order filled.
Tapped in. I'm going to go look at ES to see if it's looking like it's going to find some real strength here. Kind of seems like it wants to, but I want to see some weakness. We're at the daily opening print price, so this is where I want to see some big pressure. The problem is we got that big volume candle, so like I said, we could easily get a reversal off of this if we don't see the strength immediately. Let's find some pressure off this daily opening print. Above this is bullish, below it is bearish. It's really pretty simple from here. We picked a battle spot. And unfortunately for us, we're going to be dictated by ES's strength and weakness. If ES continues to find bullish prints, it's going to be a little bit of pain for us. If it doesn't, we're going to look okay. So we're battling at a spot, family. Who's going to win? I want to see the sellers getting us below this daily opening print, reloading here. The only thing I'm worried about is how much volume came in on this candle now. All right. No immediate results. No immediate satisfaction. EMA is going to be the next big spot. Closure up there is not going to be great for us. Yeah. See, that's what I was a little bit worried about. Let me go check out NQ really quickly because I think it's still the same trend line. Wow, look at this difference between ES and NQ. It's just so different. This thing is wedging lower and lower and lower, but NQ is just very, very interesting price action. And they're so separated from each other. Give me a nice wick like that. I don't mind that pressure. Looks like the longs could be trying to hold. I'm gonna stop out at this trend line on NQ if we happen to get back up there. I would love to see some weakness though here on NQ right now and get back below that EMA. Give us a nice bearish close. It's an okay candle closure for the longs, unfortunately. I mean, they got above the EMA, so. I want to see the ES try to reject this swing high and just continue to wedge lower. Such weird price action all around. Decent attempt. Can we get back to that daily opening print? Now we have to ask for volume to get through it again. So this is where things get a little interesting for us, family. We have to ask for volume to get back through this price. Don't want to see any wicks like that. Because holding it here with a triple bottom after trying to break through twice, holding, sellers get the break on a lot of volume and then buyers reclaim it, that's pretty bullish for a reversal. So if we don't get the break on this candle closure here, I might just be looking to get out of this. Got to see a break now. No more wicks like that. This candle is pretty much going to be indicative of if I get in or stay in or not. Come on, sellers, get through there. A lot of reasons we could easily bounce off this price now. ES looking strong. We already tried to break through it twice on NQ. We had a lot of volume to hold, so yeah. Wait for all the information. If we hold above this, I'm closing this. And then just, of course, every time I say that, the most volume out of all the other candles fucking always comes in. It's insane, the consistency to that. Just every fucking time, man. It wouldn't just be a chill fucking like auction. No, it's gonna go ahead and rip 30 fucking points. Like, what the fuck is that? Yep.
Order filled.
I'm out. Fucking annoying. Yes, right back to VWAP. I wish I would have paid attention to that actually, because could be a spot for them to load back up. I might just call it. I'm trading like I'm just annoyed. This is fucking annoying. What is this price action, man? ES, why are you so diverged from NQ? Holding at this fucking weird pattern away above daily opening print price. Meanwhile, NQ is looking so weak. Fuck, man. Yeah, and then it's just going to go ahead and fucking respect the trend line out. Oh my god. Like, what the fuck is this price action right now? Might be relocating to Denmark with no snakes. Those are W, brother. Every loss is a W. No flowers making this worse. I got 4 new evals on Traded 5, 1 funded, 3 funded, and my funded futures. 5 funded on Lucid. Let's go, okay. Always a trade-off, I guess. 202 is daily open. Hope it breaks. Big wick on the 5 and 15. Good risk management tie. It feels okay. It's frustrating. I got fucking, of course, I'm going to be a top tick. That's why I always hate exiting on top candles, because it's like you're getting the worst fucking price. And look at this wick. Meanwhile, ES is just sitting here below VWAP. Like, what is going on, dude? So frustrating. And now it's just going to go ahead and be weak and go break through that low again. I know it is. It's going to go ahead and get weak through that low again just because I got tapped out of this trend line. We respected back inside of it. Oh, they're trying to hold the top of it, actually. Like, joining longs just doesn't make any sense to me. But, excuse me. I'm with Boss Man. This price action told me not to trade any of my funded trade and eval I got for streaming and blew that bitch so quickly. I want to make some money today, but damn, I ain't in the right mindset right now. I know it's tough. Just to walk away. You will be grateful tomorrow you did so. You're right. And look at this price coming right back to my price. Jesus Christ, man. The fuck is this price action right now? Why? Why? The fucking longs. What is happening? They're acting so stubborn, man. Oh my fuck. ES just wants to go retest VWAP when you're completely weak. NQ is so much weaker, and ES is like, I'm gonna go retest VWAP. Actually, I'm gonna bring you up here back to these lows. Like, what is going on, man? Back to this 176 price that needs to break on ES. Fucking fuck. Yeah, just look at the bullshit, dude. You can't even make it up. It's so fucking annoying. So annoying. Oh, I want the same price that I just got in at. So risky now, though. So frustrating. I can't join until I get confirmation of the sellers. It's so fucking insane that little pump there. Just go ahead and rip $400 off so I close on a bullish candle and then we just fucking sell it all off. Because ES said, I want to go test VWAP again for no reason. Like, what is going on with this fucking price? Just play out. And now we're right back above that daily opening print again. Again. I'm not seeing anything in for a little while. We're going to have to be patient. We're going to have to be patient. This is chopping at a low, which indicates me continuation to the sell side, but it doesn't fucking matter because ES is just being so stubborn and weird. So stubborn and so weird. Back to this trend line again on NQ. Which maybe NQ is stalling out down here, waiting for ES to catch up, but ES just isn't catching up. You know what I'm saying? Like, ES is just the one lagging. You know what you're capable of, Zanti, your brother. You know what you did last night. Just that is the king energy. Take the day off, enjoy that flower, and no more looking at the charts. You got this. Let's go. I love it. Apple earnings screwing us all up, possibly, Dave. Brother, play that Cocoa Melon and let's relax today. You come back tomorrow. Play that Cocoa Melon. Yeah, I might. A big wick through this trend line, but they're still holding it. And ES is trying to retest VWAP once again. So crazy that they're so separated. So different. They're so different. Look at this trend line that we're just holding right now. All right. Well, history says to try it. So I'm going to try to buy this.
Order filled.
Buying this daily opening print. History says we're not going to be able to push through it immediately. So good wick. Can we hold it? Beautiful. Give me a pump up there now. Now we got to try to maximize and get out of this at the right spot, unfortunately. Because I don't really believe the longs, but they're the ones currently getting some movement. So we're going to join them for a second here. Is ES trying to get through VWAP? Yeah, but it's going to get suppressed, isn't it? Bottom of the 15-minute range is going to be this trade's obstacle. Bottom of the 15-minute range is going to be this trade's obstacle. Through there, we look okay. Here's a 15-minute range test. Are we going to hold? Feels like ES is trying to break through.
Stop filled.
I don't fucking know, dude. Yeah, 280 was a level there. One tick from TP, half past my Lucids. One tick from TP to half past my Lucids. And that's where you blew them? Or that's what you made, Dave? I hope you made that, King. Back down 170 Beanos. We're battling today, man. This feels terrible. Did ES get above VWAP? Sort of, and then rejected immediately, of course. Just an immediately rejected, of course. Because why wouldn't it at the bottom of the 15-minute range again? God damn. New Lucid just bought them. Oh my god, I was at 1500 literally by 5. Did you get that win? You just got these new accounts. Did you get that fucking win? Or is NQ fucking dicking around going back to the lows, man? History still says you can buy this price. History says you can try this buy. It's just so hard to do it. Especially because ES is like, I'm gonna be a weaker. Part of me wants to try to buy it again. We haven't been able to break through very consistently. Crew just ran to the top of them. Top of the 15-minute orb. History says you can buy this bottom down here again. ES just being below VWAP is concerning, of course, but you know what I'm saying? Does it, like, are you clocking it? It's just some tough price action. Just completely tough. The ES needs to get back below these 166s to look bearish. Setting higher lows now. So if we don't break through a new lower low there, then we're probably going to continue. Do we break through these lows at the 166s? If so, bears might actually get something going again. It's appearing they wanted one more VWAP tap. They wanted one more VWAP tap for whatever fucking reason. Yeah, my goodness. My goodness, and what is this? What kind of trickery are you doing here? I don't like longs here as much anymore, to be honest with you. Longs down here don't feel as sturdy anymore. Yes, feels like it's kind of ready to catch up a little bit. Of course, NQ is already just leading the selling, but this feels like the middle. If we're trading the range, this would be the top side, this would be the bottom side. So I can't really short at the daily opening print, even though I'm tempted to, because it's kind of the middle. Yeah, she can tap it so many times before finally breaking. I know. That's what I'm saying. This middle price is a little bit dickery right now. A little indecisive, is it? A little indecisive are we today? Right. Can't make up your mind where you want to go, love. How about you go sit on some sell side and bring us with ya? Like a little bit of a Sally. A little bit of a Sally Welly, you mean? Nothing crazy, just a bit of a well. 10 more for the big 30 family. If we're watching and we have 30 people watching, can we get to the 30 like bomb? It would mean the most. Show some love. In the meantime, let's find a fucking win this time. Let's get another fucking win and get these accounts to the winning day. No more dicking around. No more dicking around, NASDAQ. Playing with us. Oil's trying to go pump up. Get through the VWAP. It'll be interesting to see the reaction there. Probably going to find a little bit of a reaction. ES back above the 167s. Jesus Christ. Give it up. Boo. Give it up already. No one believes you. Excuse me. Give it up already. Finally breaking. Not strong, but it's breaking. Bum 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 bum. The boys' new episode came out. You know what time it is. Wax grabba. Wax or grabba. Give me wax today, King. Get that mind bright and early. How many winning days do you need now? You need 3, Queen. So today would get us to 3, which would mean we would need 2 more. And hopefully we can. And there's also, you know, just want to end the week, end the month on a good note here. We need 3 winning days, and I want to end the month on a good note here. Dude, this price action is unbelievable. Like, make up your goddamn mind, Queen. Just make it up. Just make up your mind. It's hard to short down at the bottom like this. I would say you already have a stellar month. We have had a stellar month. We've done well. I really cannot complain, but I just want to end it on a good note. You know what I'm saying? One time for the one time. I don't want to get dicked around by this ES bullshit, holding these random prices, being confusing, tricking everybody. When we all know that you want to sell, just sell. It's okay. No one's upset with you. Just sell. Just give it up. And yes. Back above the daily opening print. The daily opening print has been nothing today, except for a couple times we bounced off it, but it is just ping-ponging through that thing. Because again, I think it's waiting for ES to catch up, because look at how diverged they are. But so stubborn, this ES. I don't understand. So stubborn. Look at this 1, 2, 3, 4 times we've held these 165s. And now they're trying to get back up to the VWAP. So weird, so crazy, so wild. No, it's so weird, it's so crazy, it's so wild. What are you doing? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? We're down 170 beans. Means we need $300 plus, a $300 trade, and we'll be out. We done. Excuse me. Are Longs excited? Are Longs actually the ones going to try for the whatever VWAP tap this is again? This trend line isn't really much anymore, to be honest. Let me get rid of it. It's not really much anymore. Not much of anything at the moment. It's not really much of anything, you mean? Looking to see if we can get a little bit of a wally. A bit of a willy with a wally. Yes, you're going for the VWAP, are you? You're going to try to go break through the VWAP, are you, love? Well, alright. How about you don't fuck around anymore and just do it? Actually achieve that. Actually achieve that, because then he'll bring me NQ with you, and I can find a position. It's going to be tempting not to short these highs anyways, these 280s, 270s. Just because we're stuck in a range anyways. Like, a part of me is like, yeah, just short this here VWAP, it'll be alright. Alright, well, seems like it could be, but also it could be dangerous, you mean? Seems like it could be, but also it could be dangerous down here auctioning at these lows. We set new lows and we're just holding. It's quite interesting there. Tyler, are you waiting for shorts or longs? I think I'm waiting for shorts at the top of this range, Dave. We get back up around these 260s, 270s. I'm going to try one. See how we're just kind of ranging at this bottom? I'm going to look for it to short. And if I'm wrong, then we're going to break through it pretty aggressively, and then I'll be able to adjust from there. Like, here we go. ES is trying to get through VWAP this time. Does it actually find the gumption? Finally, is it going to be time? Meaning that, can we find a short position? Or a... Because if ES breaks through there, we're going to get some continuation. But if she doesn't, then you know the party. Are you going to get up through there, love? Or are you going to get some resistance? Yeah, around these 267s, 270s, I'd be willing to be a short. Bottom of the 15-minute range, retry. Assuming ES doesn't just rip face through it, but... that would be the thing. If ES doesn't rip face through it, then we'll be alright. I'm going to put my order in, just in case. Put me order in and go look at ES, see what it's trying. We got a working order. We're up about 20 points from here. Can you give me a filly? And then we're hoping to see the continuation of the trend. We're hoping to be a part of this. And then continuation to the sell trend, the trend that we've just been holding. This one feels scary, but it always does when you take a range trade. 15 points from getting tapped into our short here at the 671s. Wouldn't want to see a red candle print before I get filled. I want to get quickly filled, and then I'll be looking for me red prints. But I want to see ES after I get tapped in. We could take a sweat here as well. Can you put me in, please? Just put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Tap me in. Little tap, 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 tap-a-roo there. Little gimme. Little gimme golly. Little running gun. What's ES doing? Oh. Yes. Oh, girl. That volume wasn't enough to give me a fill. Really? Thought for sure I would have heard order filled.
Order filled.
Alright, now we're in. Is ES looking ridiculous? It's kind of looking a little bit ridiculous, isn't it? Well, we hope. We hope to see it play off. This is the time I'm going to get murdered, isn't it? This is the time I'm going to get murdered. We're going to find out as a family. Stops would be above this swing over here at the 306s, but don't really want to see that. I don't want to keep seeing me stops get found when I'm looking for longs. Looking for shorts. Of course. It's going to hold above the VWAP fucking strong. Fucking strong, isn't it? Holding above the VWAP ES quite a bit strong, isn't it? God damn it. Is it finally time for me to pay it? The range is just not going to hold because Tyler wanted to try it. Of course. The range is just not going to hold because Tyler wanted to try it. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, darling? Yeah, we're going to hold the trend line perfectly and just keep ripping the face off these buyers, these sellers. And yeah, very good. Very bloody proper, that. 1493 on 5 Lucid evals there on the longs. Let's go, Dave. Great trading, king. See, I'm looking to short, and you said, you know what? I like that. I'm going to long it. And then you grabbed it, and now you paid. Now you paid, sir. Yeah, it's not feeling the way I wanted it to feel at the bottom of this 15-minute range retest. It's swinging high over here as well. Of fucking course. This here on ES is where I'm going to get stopped out if we get a base above this. Of course, we've had a very balanced day. A very, very balanced day until I'm actually in a position. Then we're just going to run face. It's an incredibly balanced day until I'm in a position, and then we're just going to run fucking face. And by balance, I mean no move is being one-sided. Each one's finding balance, but no. Now we're hoping to find some selling through the bottom of this range, but of course, it's just going to keep fucking ripping face. God, man. Two dojis up there. Looks okay. Can we get any love? Get any love through this EMA. Now we have to ask. Now we're asking for a weird price because we want to see the bottom of the 15-minute range get broken through again, which isn't my favorite because ES is well above VWAP. So I wouldn't mind to see it try to retest it, but we're just asking for tough prices at this point. Like, look at the double doji. And then that's no EMA tap. Get through there, please, Queen. Show me some selling attempts, at least, below this range. If we stay below this range, I don't mind it. But fucking A, man. We're just holding. Just deciding to grow rip face for the first time. Yes, you're the problem. Nah, like, I don't want to blame anybody, but you're the fucking problem. You know what I mean? Like, I liked you. I did, but you're the issue here. Here we go. Blue line algo. Are we going to get some action through our price? Problem is we're at a big spot at the bottom of the 15-minute range, so we could hold at our fucking price. Oh, my days, man. Just an absolute run and gun. Fuck. Just an absolute run and gun, that. Come on. Don't blue line algo me today. We're at the top of the range. Sellers, we're at the top of the range. That means balance. Go to the other side of the range, right? Right? Surely, right? Today, for me, come on. Come on. Come on. We're at the top of the range. Come on. Nope. Nope. Fuck me, huh? I just can't make this up. I just want to beat something up. Like, what the fuck, man? Unfucking believable, man. Seriously. Seriously unfucking believable. Out of where? Oh, where, NASDAQ? Where, you fucking fuck? You know what I'm going to do, family? You watch what I'm going to do. And I don't condone this. I'm shorting the shit out of this VWAP with an actual NQ position. With a mini. With a micro. With a mini. I'm going to short VWAP with a mini. And I'm going to stay in my micros as well. Yeah, no, that's what I'm going to do. This is just, excuse me, unbelievable. This is absolutely unfucking deniable, is what it is. And we're almost going to get our chance for a fill here. Turn trade mode on. Go to 5 contracts and get ready for a short position here at this VWAP. Is what we're going to be looking for here, family. I'm not getting fucked around by this NASDAQ anymore. Not today. Danny, you're not wrong, Queen. It may be a good time to call it a day, but I can't do it. Okay, locked out of Lucid accounts. If I make 1,500 tomorrow, they will be passed. Let's go, Dave. I know you will, brother. I blew all my accounts today. How gay of me. Unfortunate to you, King. It's not you. It's these markets. This baloney that we're experiencing as a family is unbelievable. Yeah, it's like, yeah, don't worry, guys. We're going to go actually hold this trend line, this VWAP, and we're just going to go push all the way up. All-time highs. All-time highs. I don't want anything other than all-time highs. If it's not all-time highs, it's not for me. It's like, got it. Family, we're looking for a short position around here at the... I'm going to put an order at the 360s. Feels like the trend line... feels like this VWAP is going to be the safer try, but I'm going to go higher at the 360s. Which means I might as well just do 50 contracts on this. Just do a mini... I have to go to the bathroom, so I might leave us to a suspenseful moment here. Because I have to go to the bathroom. So I might get this contract filled and then leave, and y'all are going to have to just manage this trade for me. Today's market is fucking a lot of us up, damn. It's just weird, Santi. Yeah, I spent a lot of money on 5K evals the last few days. 5X evals. I hear you, Dave. I love how you cracking me up, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, if nothing else, I'll take a giggle. You know what I'm saying? If NASDAQ's gonna throw me around like it's used toy, I'll take a giggle. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna short this VWAP, especially if I can get filled. And I have to go to the bathroom so badly.
Order filled.
And I'm in, family. No more dicking around. It is getting crazy. Oh, you gotta go to the bathroom pretty bad, actually. Come on. Show me some love. Where my VWAP shorts at? Look at our new price. So now we're actually 10 contracts, or no, we're 13. So we're 13 minis at the 39s. So only scary spot is we're the first ones in this trade. It's the only scary spot about this. You know what I mean? Like, we're the first ones to try to just buy this. The reasons I like it, but there's also some reasons that it could kill our face. So I think we're going to have to be a little bit patient if it's going to play out, unfortunately. It's not going to be quick, probably. Which means we're going to probably end up taking a little bit of drawdown. Which I don't hate. I don't love. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, sellers. Be my friend today. Got to get through this price. The longer we auction, the longer the EMA is going to curl up, which I don't love. The longer the EMA curls up, the more we're going to have to fight for price. Get it? Because if you grab the long down here, you're just getting absolutely paid and there's no resistance to you. You're just getting delivered. Like, unfucking believable, man. I don't care. I'll blow my fucking accounts then, if you're gonna fuck around with me. Where's balance, NASDAQ? Come on. 50% of the range is what we're hoping to see defended. Problem is it's so fucking far away. Come on, sellers. Do the thing here. Say, I want to go down. And say, okay, I will join you. That's what I need. I need a bunch of people saying, I will join you to the sell side, sir. Very good. Now, I mean, we're holding at the 27, the 71, 200s. And surely there's no reason to stay here on the ES. So, bring us to the downside here. It would be very good. And I would actually appreciate that. And, yeah, we wouldn't have to stress out if you could just sell off a little bit here. And, that's a nasty wick. Oh my God. We're going to take some heat, family. Hope you guys can handle it. It's going to get hot in this kitchen. You better hold your britches. You better hold your britches. No, genuinely, fuck you, NASDAQ. You know what I'm saying? Like, all bullshit aside, fuck you, NASDAQ. You're pissing me off. We're just going to go ahead and rip up from the 170s, so 200 points straight up and no pullback, no balance. I don't believe that shit. So you're going to take my money or you're going to prove me right. That's what you're going to do. You're going to take my fucking money or you're going to prove me right. All right? Sure. Come on, ES. Come on. Don't you want to go down a little bit? Come on. What's up there anyway? Nothing's up there. Come on. Come down. Come on down here. Come on. See, this is what I was afraid of, family, is the fact that the EMA is curling means that it's going to try to give us a battle price. And we're not getting it. Instead, we're down 1,500 beans. Woo! Woo! Because what the fuck? Like, what the actual fuck? You know what I'm saying? Who said that they wanted just to continue all the way up to the buy side here? Who did it? And why did I get invited? You know what I mean? Why did I get invited to this ridiculous buy party that were displayed? Is oil just dripping? Oh, no, oil's actually ripping as well. So that's what I love. That's what I love. It's just things that don't make any fucking sense whatsoever. You know what I mean? Just probably things that don't make any fucking sense at all. Change bias, loco, honestly. Man, fuck the stock market shit today. It's enough to drive a man to drink, and I don't even drink. Excuse me. You're going to take my money, NASDAQ. That's what you're going to do. You're going to take my fucking money. And that's it. That's it. That's it and that's all. Okay? That's it and that's all. Or you're going to go back to the sell side here and make some motherfucking sense. That's it. That's it and that's all. That's it and that's all. Show me something. We're not going to rip through these 27,400s, right? Right? Just passed the Apex 25K eval. Let's go, Brandon. I'm proud of you, King. Good trading. In a market like this, that is good, exceptional stuff. Iran said they are halting attacks. Okay. So they can stay in negotiations with us. Interesting. Yeah, that will get the market going. Yeah, crude oil is along with NQ. That's why none of it makes sense. And that's why we just have a party together, family. We just have a party together because none of it makes sense. Like, look at this. Just no pullbacks from the bottom of the 172s up 230 points straight up. No siree. Our only issue now is the fact that EMA is curled through the VWAP. So we have a lot of resistance to get through for sellers to actually show some face here. Is ES trying to get a little drippy? A little bit of a drippy. Problem is that the EMA is going to be a big potential spot for a launch pad. Just want some balance. Is that too much? Hold on. Is that too much to ask? Is a little bit of balance? You know what I mean? Is that just too much? Or is that like, what's going on here? Is that like too much to ask? Because now we're just going to go ahead and find out. You know what I'm saying? Because I have a question and I need to solve it. I need to know, is that too much to ask, NASDAQ? I guess I'm actually asking ES because this thing has been the stubborn bitch today. Like, is that too much? Do we get through this EMA? Do we get any balance back towards this VWAP whatsoever? Do we get through this VWAP whatsoever today? Right now? Potentially? Maybe? Or no? I'm going to find out. That's all I've figured out. At this point, all I know is I'm going to find out. But the way that they're holding, not going to lie to you, it doesn't feel good. It feels very bad. It feels very bad. Okay, very bad. Gotta see it. Want to find out. Can we get through here? This doesn't look good. Doesn't feel awesome. Feels very bad. Excuse me. Very good, not very bad. Yes, maybe you're going to start the party so we can get back towards our prices. Are you going to start the party? Problem is, VWAP, NQ, don't dick around here. Go cut through there a little bit. A little bit of cut skis, you know what I'm saying? That's going to require ES to get a little bearish. Don't want to see anything weird like that. Don't want to see anything weird like a little wiki. No wiki, no fun. No wiki, no fun. If it's a wiki, it's no fun. It's a no wiki, it's a no fun. I'm about to take a gold scalp long at VWAP. Let's go, Santi. It's funny, NQ never broke structure on the 15 minutes, laugh my eyes off, meaning it's still bullish. What the fuck? It's just bullish, D. That's the thing. Don't you know? We're in Trump's markets. You buy it. You buy it and you just hold it and you say, yay, whippy, we're going to go to the highs. I don't care that oil is at 106 a barrel. That's not a part of my plan. I'm just going to short. I'm just going to buy everything and hold it. I'm going to buy it and hold it. Yay. Whippy, woo, whippy, woo, woo. Come on. Get us through this EMA. Show me a VWAP attempt. An attempt at the VWAP here, baby. A little bit of love at the VWAP here. Don't act like you don't want to. Like, that'd just be weird. Don't act like you don't want to. That would be strange of you. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of balance, that's all. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of balance. Yes, looks like it wants to. Are you going to bring us with you or what? No, you're holding. Come on, get through that VWAP. Come on. Come on, get through that VWAP now. Follow ES back towards VWAP. Let's go all the way down. Let's go all the way. You know, matter of fact, let's go 23,000 NASDAQ. What would that look like on the charts, you know? What would 23K on the NASDAQ look like? VWAP, what do you got for us? That was an actual VWAP tap and test and try. Huh. A little VWAP try there, and it's appearing that it's going to try to hold it, and I would like it if it didn't, and just continue right to the sell side, and give me some chances here to get my cash, and yeah. ES, you're going to be the issue. Bring us with you. You know, you've been the issue today. Like, I'm not trying to put blame on nobody, because you're just doing your thing, but you just kind of been the problem today. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just kind of been the issue today. Here we go. Can we get through here? Oh, a boner candle right off the VWAP. Beautiful. Not good for me because I wanted to see us go through it. And instead we bounced off it like a little trampoline. Say, oh, buy sign. Okay, very good. Okay. Does that mean that ES is also trying? Yes, it is. And we just have the hope for continuation of the sell sign. And through the VWAP would be very, very pleasant. I would enjoy that. I'd appreciate to see a little sell side. And currently we're not seeing it. So my bunches are in a twist. My bunches are in a twist. Another big apex. Bum, 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 bum. Maybe scared of the war. Well, we're all scared of the war. No idea, to be honest. I checked all my scanners. And I don't see anything market moving at big of a level. That big sell-off is what got me. I went long on NQ a bit under VWAP, wanting buyers to step in. As we know, that never happens. Sup, King? What's up, Paul? Welcome in, sir. Oh, great. ES held perfectly where I didn't want to see it. And now we're going to pay for it if it continues to hold. And Yes, we're just going to go ahead and find out what happens here as a family and as a unit. Unfortunately, we're above the VWAP, so it's not very good. We're just going to have to go ahead and take a gander and hope to find some weakness. ES selling into the 180s said, I like this price, and I'm going to go up. And say, okay, sure. Excuse me. Wait a minute, wrong chart. Well, this isn't good. This isn't good. We held the VWAP, so buyers are responding. Surely they are going to give us some action here. Wouldn't mind a little bit of a sell, but it's appearing that they want to go up, so unfortunate, really. Those 27,200 are tried to balance and got cooked over and over. Selling it really like that after is brutal. Selling it rally like that after is brutal. Yeah, I know, I'm getting caught in it. That's the fair assumption, Corey. We did try to break through multiple times. No action. They tried to hold. Now they're pushing back up. It's not good. It's not good. It's many things and none of them are good. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of different things and none of it is enjoyable. Like, there's a lot of shit going on and not a single bit of it is pleasant. And now we are burning. We're burning. Does anyone have a fire extinguisher? We are burning. Currently down 18 hundo. Oh God. And new highs. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love to see that. It's exactly what I wanted to see. Just new highs. Oh, great. Yes. Yes. New highs. Good. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't believe it. I'll bust the accounts. If someone wants to go all the way to the highs, they'll take all my monies. Why the fuck are we going to rip from the 170s up into the 420s? Huh? Why? When we're just holding. Sellers just automatically give up? Sellers just instantaneously, all in once, just decide to give up and just stop trying to sell a market? It makes no sense whatsoever. Of course, they tried multiple times. ES was the stronger of the two. And then just out of nowhere, they all just said, I'm just going to give up and stop trying to short. At one time, as a group. Ready? 3, 2, 1, buy. It's like, oh. Well, that's not good. That's a party, and I wasn't invited to it. Oh, jeez. Crazy, because if I'm already in a trade, I'll wait at least 15 30 minutes before taking one to let price play out. Not sure what happened in my head today that told me to enter on the first minute, but oh well. We tried, King. We tried it. That's why I'm paying for it. I'm down 2,000 beans. With no fucking chance, it looks like, to get saved. Because where the fuck are the sellers? Jesus Christ. They said, I'm going to short all morning long, and then all at once, we're going to stop as a team. All at once now. Come on now. All at once. All at once now. Everyone get in. We're going to go sell this. We're going to stop selling this. EMA, what do you got for us? Hopefully weakness. Hopefully we cut through this EMA and head back down towards this way. And once we break through that, I'd like to see some continuation. Problem is, we're now at 50% of the range trying to hold on the buy side. So it's actually very bullish, unfortunately. Yes. No, it's very unfortunate here at this time of day. And it looks like we're just going to have to go ahead and wait for any chance to get safe. Meanwhile, the EMA is going to be another obstacle to hold through, and from there, I'd like to see a little bit of a deeper sell-off, just back towards the VWAP for an attempt. Of course, anything could happen. Give us an attempt at the VWAP again. Last time you just fucking bicked it. No bicking it. This is still a balance. There still is a market that facilitates buys and sells, not just one side of the game. So facilitate the other side of the game, please. Facilitate a normal sell candle, please. Stay below the EMA over here, yes. No more dicking around. I don't want to blame you, but it's kind of your fault right now. You're kind of being a bitch. I mean, that was a little mean, but you're just being mean, so. Come on. Come on. Sellers, do the thing. VWAP. Go try it out. See what it looks like. It's kind of your color. It's kind of your color. You look good in it. You would look really good in some orange. Matter of fact, go try out blue. How does blue look on you? I think it's your color. Matter of fact, I think it's your color. Oh my God. ES said, actually, I don't ever want to sell off ever again. Fucking fuck ass. I only want to go to the buy side here. Nothing else. Only buy side here. Nothing else. Wait for the candle closure. I don't want to see this thing close bullish like that, man. Jesus fucking Christ. Give us a sell candle. ES is just the strongest thing to ever live, I guess. We just rip straight up. No balance, no pullback, no nothing. Every small little fucking dip being smashed with buys. Like, fuck, man. This fucking music is hilarious. I'm over here raging and it's just like this wee ass music, bro. Holy cow. NASDAQ, let me tell you something. I used to like you. You know what I mean? For a while, it was you and me. We were friends. We were doing the thing. And now you're going to treat me like a stranger, and I don't know why. Now you're treating me like a stranger, and I don't know why. Can ES give up this EMA for one time since this fucking rip? Just give it up. Let's go test out lower prices one time. Go test them out. See what it looks like. 1 second, family. My God. We used to be friends. You used to care about me. And now I feel like you just treat me like a stranger. This is so crazy, family. I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. If we blow it, we blow it. But I'll be right back. I don't know if that was actually a really long pee or if it just felt like it was forever because I didn't want to be away from the charts. You know what I'm saying? But God. Now my knee hurts and I'm still just down thousands of dollars because NASDAQ wants to only go up. Can we find balance, please? I'm asking for balance. Like just some balance. I don't know, family. We might not get it. It means I have to decide really where I want to call this thing off. The way that we're auctioning, man. Like, why? Why is there no fucking sellers whatsoever? Just no sellers whatsoever. This fucking market, man. It's so annoying. We used to be friends. You used to care about me and call me and now you don't even wish me happy birthday anymore. My first ever funded account I went on a bad losing streak. I ended up with like $300-ish drawdown as a new trader trying to work with that dead ass fucked me over so bad. 2 weeks of trying just to blow it and don't pay out. That's tough, Santi. What's up, King James? Welcome in, sir. Looks like we need a pullback. We need a big black no wick, so we are in some heat. Looks like we need one. It feels like this doesn't just go up forever, but at the same time, no such thing is happening. Every fucking candle is being bought up, and it's making me sad. Like, we used to be friends, NASDAQ. We used to understand each other, you know? We used to, like, get along and just you know, banter a little bit. And now you're just gonna hold every fucking wedge, man. Jesus Christ. Facilitate a normal price action and sell a little bit. Sell back to the VWAP ES. You are the problem right now. I don't want to put the blame on you, but you're being a bitch. Come on. Come on. Come on. Show us a little bit of love. At the VWAP is where shit gets weird, though. If we even have if we even get down there, of course, you know, because this lately has just been a bitch. At VWAP is where shit gets weird, though. Of course, getting down there is going to be its own thing. Oh, Jesus. Getting down to VWAP is going to be its own situation because currently that's been the problem. Our price is such a tough spot too. Like, I'm going to have to get out of VWAP if I get that chance. If I get the chance, I'm probably out skis at the VWAP skis. You know what I'm saying? But instead, every fucking candle's being bid up. Why? You get a big black. Give me continuation. Finally through the EMA. God. It's not really a candle print I wanted to see on the sell on ES here. Sells are just impossible to find right now. Completely imponderable. Unlikely to exist. Oh. I need a big black. I need a big black and a no wick. Is that too much to ask, guys? Is it selfish? Am I being selfish? Because I thought this NQ and I used to get along, you know? We haven't even gotten a VWAP tap on NQ. On actual NQ, we haven't even seen VWAP since. Obviously ES either. I mean, this thing has just gone one direction. Oy. Now they're right back to the EMA, like it never even left. You know what I really love? I really love the fact that the people that just bought down here just have been paid all more. There's nothing but fucking paid. Nothing but paid since moving it down here. Yeah, sure. You're just gonna fucking pay them. No, you're not. You always fucking go find stops and break people out. Why are you just paying these people? Go find fucking balance, you piece of beep. You beep, beep, beep. Ugh. You know what I'm saying? Oil rejecting VWAP is actually not good. That's actually pretty bullish for the markets. And then what do you know? Every single sell candle is bid up like a motherfucker. Every single one. And then we're just going to sit here and watch it. Rip my money away. Because you're never going to sell fucking doing weird shit. Isn't this fun, guys? Don't you love watching the NASDAQ just do weird shit? This moves weirdly. Yeah, this is not moving in any way that would make sense. So that's hence why we are getting schmurdered. Look at this look at this. Okay, sure, NASDAQ, sure. ES took out the highs there. Excuse me. Sorry, family. Didn't mean to do that in front of you. ES took out the highs there. Trying to get above those 200s. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Because why would VWAP ever be traded again? You know, we're just going to rip through VWAP and never look at anything else. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to go take VWAP and just go one fucking direction. Jesus Christ, man. I am sick of it. How's it look on the 5 minutes? A great question, Danny. Probably bad. Yeah, not good. This to me is a no bueno. Damn, that actually looks awful on a 5 minute. Though I don't know what it should look like because I don't usually look at the 5, but I see wicks. I see the EMA curling through our price. When I'm looking to see VWAP get tried. Volume's falling off, which isn't the end of the world, but it's not really good. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about the 5 minute there, Danny. Honestly, Queen. Probably means that our faces are about to get ripped. Silly us for expecting there to be any balance, because people that have been longing this thing have spent nothing but paid all morning. So I probably should just assume that's going to be the case. Again, it's Trump's market after all, you know. Daddy Trump wants the markets to go up. We go up. Yeah, now it looks like a bull flag for me. Yeah, it doesn't look good, does it, Danny? Does not look good at all. Especially that wick and every other wick that we've gotten and every other wick that we've gotten and every other attempt that we've gotten and every other fucking bid that we've gotten and every buy that we found, and yeah. Because I'm not even looking for much. I just want to see another try at fucking VWAP. Another fucking try at fucking VWAP. That's all I want to fucking see is another fucking try at fucking VWAP. Is that crazy? Is that crazy? We're just not going to go straight up. I just want to see another try at VWAP, considering NQ hasn't even found another try at it. That's it. I just want to see a VWAP try. It's not even crazy. But we're just holding every fucking price. Yeah, we are holding 50% of the range, Danny. This is why I control my stop loss. You know, that's a good discipline to have, Brandon. Typically, I would 1,000%, 1,000,000% agree with you. It's not what you want. You don't want to not be doing that. I just love that there's no fucking balance whatsoever. Just no balance whatsoever. I love it. I just love it. I just love it. Like, it's so fun to just see the market go one direction from all fucking morning with no pullbacks, no nothing. Just one fucking direction. You fucking fuck. Oh, yeah. New highs. Woo! Woo! actually unfucking believable, dude. I'm ready to break it. Well, we have $1,300 in drawdown. Let's see how fast it goes. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let's see how fast this last $1,300 goes. I'm just waiting for balance. Over here, waiting for balance. No big deal. You're either going to bust me or you're going to come down. That's it. If you have the drawdown, we are approaching a rejection zone. It's just kind of wide. Newbie, this is not good. We're probably going to blow these accounts. We'll see what happens. I don't even care anymore. It's just fucking pathetic. Why the fuck? Have we only gone up since 10:30? Yeah, I never could understand. I never could understand, so here we go. Yay. Woo. Whippy, whippy, whippoo. Yay, go find new highs. Yes. Yes. This opening print price. This is the 9:30 candle. So now our New York section is bullish. Yay. Yay. Yes. Yes, printing to the highs. Woo. Woo. Crazy how on a 400-point pullback straight down, we get the Trump news on how he plans to reopen the Strait of Hormuz, which has the end of the sell-off. It's crazy. All of it's always crazy, Santi. $1,000 left, family. Where do we go? Where did you come from? Where did you go? I absolutely love the no fucking balance. I just love it. I love when the market goes one fucking direction. Love it. So good. Yes. So amazing to see. One direction. Just one direction. Wow, that's so fucking awesome. Just the best, really. Just the best. Just so good. Like, wow, how special. So lucky. Nice. 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 It's like that nice shot. Nice trade. Oh, motherfucker. Just looking for VWAP. That's all I wanted to see is some balance down towards this VWAP. How is it one direction after a 330-point sell-off at the open? We went straight down, and then we auctioned sideways, and now we've gone straight up. No sideways. See how this was facilitating both sides? This is one direction pull-up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Brandon? We had a straight sell-off, consolidated, big whips both sides, and then the buyers responded, and now we've had nothing since they bought at fucking 10:30. We've gone straight up. So it's just one-sided. It's just had no pullbacks. If you bought down here, you've been rewarded all day. Or all morning. We tennis, all we can do is laugh. Been a tough week. Made $1,500 in payouts, then spent $500 in new accounts. Only passed 2. It's been a tough week, Corey. All we can do is giggle about it, brother. Oh, I'm just frustrated. That's all it is. Of course, but the market works in waves, so what must go down must come up. You're not wrong, brother. You're not wrong. which means what goes up must come down, right? So like this must come down too at some point. Is that what you're saying? Because I would want to agree with you. Because that's what I would want to agree with. Damn, bro, you're still live. It's not been good, D. Your call, boss, but only need one more payout till you get live daily payouts. I know 10,000% you will make a 2 to 3K trade tomorrow or Monday to save the accounts. Oh, I don't know if I will, Santi. Motherfucker, you know? Just want to see some normal balance. Like a couple of these red candles back towards this VWAP would make so much more sense to my brain. But then we're going to wick out and just hold random pullbacks. And it's going to make me pout. I'm going to pout and cry about it. I'm going to pout and cry about it because we're going to hold this random fucking candle that makes no sense to hold. And it's just going to try to hold it. You know what I mean? Do you know what I'm saying, family? Now we got to keep our head out of our ass and make good decisions here. I want to make sure I grab as much volume on this as I can. Or grab as much of the move as I can. Problem is just it's going to be hard to read, obviously. All these pullbacks would just get slammed to the buy side like we've seen, so... Sellers appearing that they're actually attempting balance. This is all I wanted, was just a little bit of balance. Fuck me, huh? That's all I wanted, was just a little bit of fucking balance. Fuck me, huh? Is that my chance? Is that my fucking chance? Do we not get VWAP? Feels as though that might have been my chance. Feels as though that little wick down there at the 370s could have been my chance.
Order filled.
$1,000 loss on the day. We lost $1,000 today, family. We need $1,500 across 3 more winning days. It feels terrible. Had to take it off. Oh my god, I don't know how to feel about it. I feel so fucking bad. Family, only 22 likes. What are we doing? You guys don't like to see me crash out and lose money? You don't like to see me lose money? You know what I'm capable of doing? Gonna climb y'all windows and buy a Bitcoin and change y'all your passwords. If I could click through the screen, I'm spamming left click right now, lol. Dump. You recovered a lot. Good trade, Ted. I appreciate it, Dave. It was not a good trade, but we recovered. You got that. You do 1,500 in one day. Oh, we lost. Oh, it's all I wanted was a little bit of balance. And it made me dick around. Dicked me around so long waiting for a little bit of fucking balance. I don't buy the VWAP, right? Surely I wouldn't buy VWAP, right, family? That'd be crazy. Who would do that? Who would buy VWAP? Dude, even if you're at 3K on day 5, you can get a $4,500 payout and leave 2K buffer. It's not a loss, though. 30K in 3 weeks, that's a fat dub to me. It's not bad. It's not bad. I just wanted the consistent payout. I want to get to the live so I can see what it's like to trade live, because maybe it's better and I can put money in a live account and then see what it's like. You know what I'm saying? Fuck. Because like buying this VWAP would be crazy, right? Especially after waiting for shorts all the time. The whole time waiting for shorts. No, I was not saying that, Santi. I want live badly, but I was willing to blow it all right there. That's 100%. I was willing to give it all up and blow every fucking penny on these accounts right then and right there, had this move not came in. But I absolutely want to be live. That's my goal. But not enough at the expense of fucking short selling at a top. I'm not going to sell at a top. I'm either going to get fucking, like I said, you're either going to take my money or you're going to prove me right. That's what you're going to do. You're not going to fucking get me out of my money and then go in the right direction. Like, imagine if I sold up here. Imagine if I sold up here, family. That is what I was not going to do. So I was going to blow it all or get proven right. That's it. You didn't lose, brother. You controlled the markets today. No, I got schmacked. Get the heck out of here, Ty. You're right, Queen. Ty, someone has taken your car. Call it a day. Go check it out, brother. You worked so hard these last 4 weeks. Taught me a lot. I'm so proud. I appreciate you, Santi. That means a lot, brother. It really does, family. Oh, fuck. It just hurts the soul right inside of my heart because we did so good until fucking that. Look at this here month, family. Look at this here month, family. After this has been a tough week for me. Oh, fuck. What I made $1,780, but I've lost $1,690. So we're green on the week, technically, if you want to call it that. I don't know if I really count it, but fuck. And now it's going to sell all the way through here. I'm off. See you all tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and calm the fuck down a bit, Ty. Go hit some shit. Take it easy, Queen. I appreciate you for being here, as always. Congratulations on your winning days as well. I'm proud of you. Just a tough week, so take the green into the next week. That is 83% win rate right there. I wanted it. And now look at us auctioning at this VWAP. This would be a stupid place to buy, right? Look at ES, just so strong in comparison. I want to buy it, family, but I can't. You guys are going to kill me if I do, so. We take $1,000 loss right to the forehead. Sucks. I feel bad about it. But we're going to do it. You guys are killing me. Let's just do a small trade, right? Small micros. Oh, all right. You win. God, I suck. Just kidding. Don't say that about yourselves, family. Manual lock it out. 977 down on the day. We need 3 more winning days, and we need $1,500. So, oh, look at it. But just look at it. Oh, but look at it. We got fucked so aggressively. I'll take my own advice and lock it down with you. Let's go, Corey. It's time. We got fucking schmurdered today. And I feel so bad about it. Like, we couldn't find it. We just couldn't find it. We battled all morning. Took a loss, took a win, took a loss, took a win, took a loss. That's so annoying. Loss, win. Loss, win, loss. Double loss because I added in trying to save the fucking VWAP balance and we just rip Valhalla's fucking face off. What just happened? Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Don't do that. Family, I can't do it. Why do I not want to walk away right now? I was just down $2,600. I don't care. Don't forget about the Ethernet. I said it's coming for it. Ty, I ain't tell you yet. What you ain't tell me? What you ain't tell me, King? I know I'm supposed to lock out right now. Like, I fully know that. But look at now. Now balance is coming, family. Now balance is coming, family. But I took a small trade last night with work watching. Bitch ended up being in the bottom tick for a 100-point move on gold. Yeah, that's fucking sexy. Santi, I'm proud of you. Work was talking about that. Of course, I did not catch the full move. Don't need to. That's a great spot, great catch. That's actually dope. It's actually so dope, King. Proud of you. Keep that shit going. Keep hopping on there. Keep finding those bangers. Speaking of gold, this thing looks like it wants to sell into VWAP. Oil looks like it's trying to triple bottom. Get it because I sold too early, guys? Do you guys get it? I sold too early. Or I sold too late because I shouldn't have even been all the way up in there or where I was. Maybe one more little trade. Maybe one small little trade. 5 micros, no big deal. Five micros, no big deal. Just a small little thing. This thing is going to give it. This is what makes sense. This is balance, family. This is what we wanted to see. Balance. And it made me fuck around for so long before finding it that I ended up closing for a loss when it's finally in my direction. That's so frustrating. Second longest stream, W's. Let's fucking go, family. We're hanging out. We're doing the thing. I need to get out of here. I still have to go to work. I still have to fucking call my editor. I have things to do, and I'm just sitting here dicking around. The reason I don't want to walk is the fucking price action is strong. There's so much volatility, opportunity all around. You know what I'm saying? Think I'm enjoying these longs. Holy shit, y'all. My whole mood just changed. Tell me you just secured a big ass payout. I was just approved for my new place in Palm Bay. Let's go, Santi. But new roof over the head is a fucking amazing feeling. So happy for you, King. Let's go, baby. Big stuff to come. Massive payouts to come in that new place. Is this the time? I want a long. I want too long this, family. Yeah, look how strong ES looks in comparison. Much love to you all. Did you not say you had stuff to do? Santi, I have so much shit to do. That's the problem. And I'm just sitting here not doing it because I want to fucking make the monies. You know what I'm saying? God. Sucks. But like one more trade. What's wrong with one more trade? One more. I see it. I know you guys are right. But what if we go grab those highs? There's nothing saying that we're not. You know what's crazy? ES is above the top of the 15-minute range. When I go to Miami, we're going to vibe it out, Santi. That's going to be a fucking vibes. ES is above the top of the 15-minute range in basing. Although I don't know if it follows the same rules. Stop it. Stop it. No work. Don't you want to see? Don't you want to hang out? Don't you want to just be a part? Don't you want to see me make the monies? Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me know if I do more. Damn, I'm back. I'm sitting here long now. So she's long, and I want to join the long. So she's telling me that it's okay to try it because if it doesn't happen, at least I can try it. Now we do want to see you make the money. Just not today. All right, I'm long on this tap 375. See, I like a 375 tap too, Corey. That's the problem. I'm about to get out if we fail here, though. ES looks so decent. Yes, it's above the top of the, or it's actually inside of the top of the 15-minute range. Fuck. I'll ride with you. Yes, brother, we do, but it's past that time, brother. You know your time. You're capable of more banger trades. It is. It's past the time that I know how to find them. It's past my window. I lost today. Fine. I accept it. I sucked. It took my money and it took my spirits today. Fine. I can, whatever. I lost $1,000 times $5,000 today. We were so close to a third payout or fourth, and now we're battling again. And I hate it, and it sucks, and I hate it. You're a king, so turning it off will make you even stronger. Wanted the long, but we never got the pullback, and now we're gonna go see the fours, and I'm out. Nothing I can do. Fine. Put 15 on for tomorrow. Trade mode off. Manual. It's gonna keep ripping. All right, we did it. We're out. We lost. Frustrated, but I ride with you guys, my OGs, my family. We tried our best today. We got murdered, but it could have been a lot worse. We were really down bad earlier, so It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. I'm proud of this chart. I would have liked to close out the month green here. Really wanted to close out the month green here. So now I'm fucking a little tilted about it, but whatever. It's trading, family. Still a good month. We'll be back. We'll see what happens tomorrow. NASDAQ's just going to continue to rip out the highs. Newbie, ride this out for me. Proud of you. Wish I could be in it with you. I wanted to pull back to try to join these cats. They never gave it to me, so. All right. I love you guys. I got to get out of here. I'm so late to everything, so take it easy. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. All the great shit. We'll be back tomorrow, Friday, and the week strong as a family. And in the meantime, I love you guys. Take it easy. Peace.